Do you feel nervous when you're coming up to an event? Do you find that you've got a challenge in front of you that you just don't think you can face? Well, I've got a great mindset switch to help strengthen your resolve. I'm Bella O'Hara. I'm a motivational coach and speaker with Feel Great to Be Productive, and I help people to face their challenges all of the time. Think now of all the preparation you've put into the event you've got coming up, the challenge that you're facing. Think about all of the preparation time that you've put into it, whether it's a sporting event, maybe a run, a football game, or it might be another sort of event. It might be a big meeting or a conference or public speaking or just a difficult conversation. Think of all the preparation time being this much. Then think about the actual thing that you're facing. That's that much. Now, the wonderful realization that the amount of time you've put into this, the preparation time, is so much more than the actual time it takes to get through the event, the challenge. That's 80%. Now do that 20%. Then you're there. That wonderful realization that you've actually almost done it because you've prepared so much more than the time it takes to get through it. Think about the amount of time you've prepared and then relax and know you're almost there. Do that last 20%. I'd love to know what challenges you're facing. What are you working towards? Leave a comment. I'd love to hear about them. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell to get notified of all the Mindset Switch videos I've got coming up.